Hello, my name is Hilwah Tazkiyah with student ID 224119090. On this occasion, I will present material on the topic Definition and Development of Audit. First, let us understand what audit actually means. In general, audit is a systematic process of obtaining and evaluating evidence objectively regarding assertions about economic activities, with the purpose of determining the degree of conformity between those assertions and established criteria, and then communicating the results to interested parties. In simpler terms, audit is an independent and professional examination to assess whether the information presented is accurate, fair, and in accordance with the applicable standards. Originally, the concept of audit was limited to checking accounting records to detect errors or fraud. However, over time, audit has expanded far beyond financial matters. Audits include operational audits, compliance audits, risk management assessments, and even information technology audits. This evolution shows that auditing continues to grow in line with the increasing complexity of business and organizational needs. Historically, auditing practices can be traced back to ancient civilizations. Records indicate that in Mesopotamia, Egypt, and ancient China, financial inspections were already conducted to monitor the management of royal wealth. During the medieval era in Europe, audits were applied to oversee taxation and trade administration. Later, during the Industrial Revolution, audits became increasingly important as large corporations emerged and required more systematic oversight mechanisms. In the 20th century, audit developed rapidly alongside the growth of public companies and capital markets. Investors demanded assurance that financial reports were accurate and reliable. This marked the birth of modern external auditing, supported by professional standards set by international and national accounting bodies. At the same time, internal auditing also evolved as a management function, providing objective evaluations of internal control effectiveness, risk management, and corporate governance. The development of audit has also been driven by advances in technology. Today, auditors no longer rely solely on manual methods, but also employ computer-assisted audit techniques, CAATs, data analytics, and audit management software. In the digital era, auditing plays a vital role in evaluating data security, system integrity, and compliance with technology regulations. This digital transformation demands that auditors become more adaptive and ready to face new global challenges. Another important milestone in audit development came from financial scandals, such as the cases of Enron, WorldCom, and Satyam Computer Services. These scandals revealed the devastating consequences when auditors fail to uphold ethics, independence, and professionalism. As a result, stricter regulations were introduced, such as the Sarbanes-Oxley Act in the United States, which reinforced the importance of audit in safeguarding transparency and accountability. Audit also provides significant benefits for organizations. It helps ensure financial management is in line with regulations, detects fraud risks at an early stage, and supports efficiency in operations. Audit also boosts investor confidence and strengthens public trust, making it a crucial function for long-term sustainability. However, audit also faces modern challenges: global business complexity, cross-border transactions, sophisticated fraud techniques, and the pressure to conduct audits faster while maintaining accuracy all present difficulties. Therefore, auditors today must not only master technical skills, but also understand technology, international regulations, and possess strong communication abilities. Looking ahead, the future of auditing will be strongly shaped by technologies such as artificial intelligence, big data, and blockchain. These tools will enhance auditors' ability to analyze large volumes of data quickly, detect anomalies, and improve audit effectiveness. Still, human judgment, ethics, and professional skepticism will remain irreplaceable. In conclusion, we can see that the definition of audit, which was once narrow and simple, has now evolved into a multidimensional and strategic function. Audit is no longer just about detecting errors. It is now a trusted partner in enhancing organizational performance, efficiency, and stakeholder confidence. Finally, I would like to conclude by emphasizing that audit is an objective and systematic process that has continuously evolved throughout history. From simple financial checks in ancient times to complex internal, operational, and IT audits today, audit has become an indispensable tool for ensuring transparency, accountability, and trust. I am Hilwah Tazkiyah with student ID 2241190 from the course Internal Audit. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this material helps broaden our understanding of the definition and development of audit.